Afza these days? And why not? After all, it is an indispensable drink of Ramadan. Actually, not of Ramadan, but of summers too. Today we are going to give our Rooh Afza a lemony twist. Yes, we are going to make lemonade Rooh Afza today. Excited? Let's make it then. So, first of all, we'll be taking water. Now we will add Rooh Afza to it. Guys, you know Rooh Afza contains minerals like sodium, calcium, magnesium. It keeps your body dehydrated and increase the absorption of water in your body. अब हम इसमें लेमन स्क्वीज करेंगे। तो अब इसी के साथ हमारा रिफ्रेशिंग लेमनेड रूह अफ़ज़ा एकदम रेडी है। तो आप भी हमारे इस इंस्टेंटली रेडी होने वाले रिफ्रेशिंग ड्रिंक को ट्राई कीजिए और रिलैक्स्ड हो जाइए। For more such recipes, subscribe our channel and stay tuned with us. Today